Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter sauce for spring rolls. First, gather your ingredients: creamy peanut butter, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a sweetener like maple syrup or honey. Don't forget fresh ginger, garlic, and a hint of chili paste for a little kick. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious sauce every time. Now, let's start mixing. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next, add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar and 1 tablespoon of your preferred sweetener. Whisk these ingredients until they are well combined and smooth. Slowly add 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the sauce reaches your desired consistency. To elevate the flavor, it's time for the aromatics. Stir in 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger and 1 minced garlic clove. These ingredients add a wonderful depth to the sauce. If you enjoy a little heat, incorporate 1/2 teaspoon of sriracha or chili garlic paste. Finally, taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings, adding more sweetener or soy sauce to achieve your perfect balance. Your delicious homemade peanut butter sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite fresh spring rolls or as a dipping sauce for other dishes. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ensuring you have a tasty dip ready whenever you need it. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.